Hello, good morning student. Welcome to our English class. Today we will do English class 8 lesson number 6, the fight. The fight. What do you understand by fight? Sometimes in our life we might have fought with someone, no? When we were small that time or now, but the fight, it doesn't remain forever. Today we fight, tomorrow again we will be friends. Means fight means quarreling, just not talking to each other. It is between brother sister also. Sometimes we just quarrel, then next day again we are friends. We love each other and we make friendship and we talk. That quarrel or fight will not remain forever. Okay. Otherwise the world will not go further, it will not run. If we will keep the same thing and we will not move. So here is the story of two boys, where two boys are there starting how they fought with each other, and at the end how they became friends forever. So just see how it is. Now the fight is a story about two boys written by Ruskin Bond. One boy is Rajput and his name is Ranji, and the other is Punjabi boy, his name is Suraj, and he is Pelwan, means wrestler, and Ranji is a swimmer. He know how to dive in the water. So Ranji is new to the town, and one day he finds a pool. It was holidays and summer holidays, and Ranji had come to a town, and there he has no friend. So he was roaming here and there in the forest. That time he found a pool. A pool was there, and that pool, when he saw, he was very surprised, because there in the desert of Rajput, that pool was very dirty, and all used to wash clothes and use the water for bathing and that buffalo and animals. So when he saw this pool in the forest, he was very happy, because the water was very clear and it was very clean. The pool was very clean. So he was attracted to the pool, and he just took out his shirt and he dived in the pool, and he started swimming and enjoying there. So Ranji is new to the town, and one day he finds a pool in the middle of the forest. This surprised him, because he has never seen such translucent water, means transparent. The water was very clear and it was transparent. Thus Ranji gets inside the pool. As it was too hot, he starts enjoying in the cool water and swim heartily. He was very happy and he was enjoying in the water, because it was hot season also and the water of the pool was very clean. He visits the pool again and again the next day and enjoy a lot in the water. However, after a while he noticed a boy standing on the edge of the pool. Next day again he came to the same pool, and he was swimming, and when he came out, he was just lying on the rock. That time he saw one boy is staring at him and looking at him very angrily. They began talking, and while Ranji is friendly, the other boy does not react the same way. That boy, he is very angry. Who is that boy? That boy is Suraj, and he is very angry. Why? Because he is telling Ranji that pool was his, and nobody is allowed, outsider is not allowed in that pool. So he tells him that he does not like talking to villagers and try to scare him away. This anger Ranji, and he warned that he will beat him, and that boy, he told that I will beat you. Like this the fight starts now. Now the argument heats up and they get into a fight. Suraj slapped Ranji, which make him dizzy. Means he slapped while they were talking with each other, arguing, quarreling, that time he slept, and that made him very angry. Ranji was very angry, but now they started fighting very violently. They started fighting, they fell down on the ground and they were snatching, scratching, holding their hair also, and they were beating each other, fighting, punching. Punch means like this, punching also they were doing, and they threw punch at each other evenly, and they got tired. Both of them, they fought very badly and they were tired now. Thus they decided they will continue the fight the next day. Next day, when they were restless, they fought, nobody both were equally fighting. So they decided, they were not able to speak also. So now they decided that they will continue the fight tomorrow again. So they, like this, they move. Ranji is unable to hide his injuries from his mother, who gets worried. Nonetheless, Ranji slipped out to the market and buy lemon and jalebi. When Ranji, he went home, he had all the marks on his face, on his body. So he wanted to escape from his mother, so that his mother will get worried from where he got hurt, how mother is very, they are very, they love us. So they inquire how you got hurt, how much you got, who beat you, like this. The mothers are very loving. So same thing, Ranji, he wanted to escape from his mother, so he went out, he came in the market and he took lemon juice and some hot jalebis and he wanted to eat. Same time, jalebi, he eats them, and when he sees Suraj, and they just call at each other and leave. When at the same time Suraj also came, and they angrily they look at each other and they moved. The next day they reached the pool, and even though Ranji was weak, he does not give up the pool. Ranji was, that boy, he was bigger and he was very strong also, because he was wrestler, Pelwan he was, so he was very strong in physical. But Ranji did not give up, he did not get scared, he accepted the challenge of Suraj. So Suraj challenged Ranji to swim across the length of the pool. Ranji dive in the pool and at once and complete it like it was nothing. So now they are challenging each other. He is telling, you dive in the water, and so he did. This surprised Suraj and he wished to learn diving. Now they were not fighting, they were just, they have conversation, and they were just telling him, Suraj, he told him to dive in the pool. So he dived, and then he told that, how you teach me how you are diving. So now Ranji is teaching Suraj to how to dive in the water. So like this, by talking with each other, they were friends. And this surprised Suraj and he wished to learn diving from Ranji. Ranji agrees and teaches him for a while. Suraj now decided that they should continue this lesson every day. Now they were friends. Now they thought, we will not fight, we will continue teaching each other, and they continued this lesson every day. Finally, they agreed on it and became friends. Now they became friends. How they fought before, and now by talking, conversation, they became friends, and now they are, what they are doing, as Suraj is Pelwan himself, Pelwan means wrestler, and they both made a deal. How? Suraj is wrestler and Ranji is, he is good at diving, means to take dive in the water. So Ranji will teach Suraj how to dive, and in return Suraj will help in becoming a Pelwan. So like this they decided, and they were friends now. Further, they also decided that the pool is theirs, and no one is allowed to be there in the pool without their permission. Now first Suraj was telling that it is his pool, and Ranji was telling that it is his pool. So now they told that this is ours, it belongs to us, and no one is, no others are not allowed in this pool. The fight teaches, the fight summary teaches us fighting will not do anything good, and we should never be too proud. Instead, help one another and establish love and hate with each other. What this story teaches us, children? That we should not fight. The fight we should change into friendship, and this fight will not make anything good for anyone. We should never be too proud. Instead, help one another. We should not be proud of what we have. We should, instead of that, we have to help each other. What is the moral of the story? Enmity and negativity should be replaced by everlasting friendship. The enmity and negativity we should live and be friends for everlasting, and we should have always, we should have positive feeling within us. We should not think negative. Positive thinking should be there. We, children, we come across with many people. Some are good to us, some are bad, some inspire us, some motivate us, some are jealous with us, some they try to pull us, some they want that we should not go further, we should. So like this it happens in students' life also. So but we should, what we should do, but there are some people are jealous, but one should be strong, we should be strong, we should not give up, we should accept the challenge what is given, otherwise the world will not run. We should accept the challenge, we should not go back, we should not give up, we should accept the challenge and go further in life, otherwise the world will remain where it is, it will not go further. So till then, student, will meet next, again will meet soon, and till then be safe, make new friends, leave your enmity and make new friends forever. Thank you, student.